Hey everybody, welcome back to my Grow Like a Pro YouTube channel. Today is March the 12th, 2018. Yesterday we planted the little tomato seeds, and if you go back to that other video you will see how small they were. This morning I checked on these around 9 o'clock and I could not believe how much growth they had done just overnight. Unbelievable. Let's take a ruler here. This is gonna be a really fast video. Let's just get the ruler right in here. And we're gonna check, and that's about 3 centimeters right there. About 3 centimeters tall already on that one there. So that's pretty amazing. Let's do it in inches. So you're talking about just over an inch or so right there. So pretty impressive. I wasn't planning on doing another video so quickly after we planted them, but I wanted you to see them at this stage. So today is March the 12th, and this is day number 2 that they have been in the soil. I'll just give that a little bit of a tilt so you can see it. Very, very impressed. So that's it for this really fast video. If you want to keep up to date on the progress of these plants, make sure you hit that little subscribe button on my YouTube channel and also hit the brand new notification bell. That will send you an email every time I upload a new video. And if you want to keep up on the progress of these little tomato plants, on my YouTube channel you'll see there's a playlist. Just click playlists and you'll see a playlist dedicated to this video series. So just before I go, this is video 5 in this video series. Also, I want to mention that this morning when I noticed that there was a lot of growth happening, I got one of my little LED grow lamps out and I've been hitting them with a little bit of UV rays for about 5 hours or so. If you want to see a bunch of unboxings and reviews of these little lamps, they're about $15–20 on Amazon. I have a bunch of those videos on my YouTube channel, Grow Like a Pro. So you can check me out. You can see I'll be unboxing them and showing them in action as well. This here just clamps onto anywhere, any surface, and then you just turn it on and it gives your plants some nice lighting during the day. By the way, if you like baking, make sure you check out my main YouTube channel over at Bake Like a Pro. I have over 500 video recipes on that channel, and that's where you'll also find me. So that's it, and I'll catch you on the next one.